Hello everyone, this is 𝗪𝗵𝗆 welcomes you all on Pabbly. So guys, in this video you are going to learn how to send Typeform details to VBOUT and add new contacts in Pipedrive. So guys, here I am going to tell you how can you add the responses you got from a form that you have created with the help of Typeform application automatically into Pipedrive and VBOUT. So now you might ask me, why anyone want to send the details of a form response into Pipedrive and VBOUT? So guys, let me tell you, suppose that you have created a contact form with the help of Typeform application and you have attached this form in the contact us section of your website or business page. So if anyone is interested in your business, he is going to fill this form to contact you. So now you want to manage that person and you got that person as a lead, so you want to convert that lead into your customer. So you are using a CRM application here called as Pipedrive. Okay, so you want to add that person here in this CRM application, and you also want to add that person as a new contact here in VBOUT application. So guys, VBOUT is a marketing tool we have by which you can create marketing campaigns like email marketing, right? So you want, whenever you got a new response here, a new lead here with the help of Typeform contact form, you want to add the same person in Pipedrive and VBOUT. So what if I tell you that you can automatically deliver the data of the Typeform response you got in Pipedrive and VBOUT as and when you receive a response here? Yes guys, this can happen, and to make this happen I am using a software here called as Pabbly Connect. So guys, Pabbly Connect is an integration and automation software, and what it will do, it will connect these three applications together such that whenever you got a new response from this Typeform, the data of that same person will be automatically transferred here in Pipedrive as a new person and in VBOUT as a new contact. So now let me give you a demo on my screen of how this automation or connection between these applications is going to work in real time. So guys, this is my computer screen, and here you can see I'm in my Typeform application, right? And here I have created these type forms, a product survey form and a contact form. So you can create many type of forms here, and I have created this contact form, and we can attach this form in the contact us section of our business page or website. So whenever someone wants to contact you, he's going to fill this form here, and when he submits this form, we want to add the same person here in our Pipedrive application as a new person, okay, in the contacts, and also in our VBOUT application in a list. So we have a list here named Typeform in VBOUT. So we want to add that same person who is going to fill this form instantly in our Pipedrive and VBOUT. So let me show you. I'm filling this form here. Okay, so I have entered the first name, the last name, the phone number, like this, and the email address now, right? Let me fill another email address. This is the email address, and I'm submitting this form. Okay, so the form is submitted here. Now let's check in our Pipedrive application first if the same person is added here. You can see a new person is added here automatically named 𝗪𝗯𝗆, and you can see all other details we have of this person is here, right? Like this. And let's check in our VBOUT application as well. So let me refresh this list here. So you can see a new person is added here as well. Let me show you. This person is this 𝗪𝗯𝗆. This is the email address and this number. So these are the same details I have filled in this Typeform, and the same person is added here in our VBOUT and Pipedrive as well. So now let me give you the easiest possible steps by which you can also make this automation. So guys, these are the three easy steps by which you can also make this integration and send Typeform or question scout responses to VBOUT and Pipedrive. So step 1 is connect Pabbly Connect to Typeform. Okay, so first of all, we are going to open Pabbly Connect and connect our Typeform application with Pabbly Connect. Step 2 says collect the data from Typeform in Pabbly Connect. So in second step, we'll do a test submission by filling a form and collect the data of that submission here in Pabbly Connect. And step 3 says send the same data to Pipedrive and VBOUT to add new contacts. So after gathering the information here in Pabbly Connect, we are going to send the information here in Pipedrive and VBOUT to add contacts and persons here, right? So let's start with our step 1 and open Pabbly Connect. So in your internet browser, you have to type here Pabbly, that is pabbly.com. Okay. So this is the landing page of Pabbly. From here, put your cursor on this products and click on Pabbly Connect. And from here, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect trial account in just 2 minutes by clicking here on sign up free button. I have already done this, so I'm going to click on sign in directly. From this all apps section of Pabbly, click here on this access now button in Pabbly Connect panel. And it will bring you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect like this. Okay. So to start working here, you have to create workflows like this. So to create a workflow, you just have to click here on create workflow button like this. And here you have to give a relevant name to your workflow. So let me fill the name here. So I have filled the name as send Typeform data to VBOUT and Pipedrive. Okay. Now click on create here. And you will see that your workflow is created like this. And here you will see these two things first, the trigger and the action. So Pabbly Connect work on these things. The trigger says when this happens, action says Pabbly Connect do this. Alright, as in our use case, the trigger would be a new submission in our Typeform, and the action would be is to send the data of that submission here in VBOUT and Pipedrive. Right? So first of all, you have to click here on this trigger window, and from this choose app, choose your application as Typeform. This one, okay. And in this trigger event, you have to select new entry. Then click on connect here. And from this window, select add new connection and then click on connect with Typeform. So okay. So I have already logged in my Typeform application, as you can see. So here it is asking for the access which is to be given, right? So click on accept here from this window. Right, and you can see the authorization is successful here and started showing connected. Now it is asking for the form's name. So I have created this form, you can see in my Typeform dashboard, the contact form and the product survey and this. So I'm going to connect this form here in Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to select this form, contact form, and let me click here on save and send test request. So you can see it started showing this waiting for the response. So you have to do a test submission now. We are going to fill this form to capture the data here in Pabbly Connect. So I'm reloading my form and let us fill the form again. Okay, so this is the first name, the last name, the phone number, okay, then the email. Right, now click on submit here. Okay, so the form is submitted. Now let's see in Pabbly Connect if the data is captured here or not. So you can see the data is captured here like this. Okay, so it is showing all the details that we have filled in the form like this, right? The name and all other details as well. So now we want to send this data to VBOUT and Pipedrive. So let us connect our VBOUT application first. So click on this action window, and from this choose app field, choose your application as VBOUT, this one. Okay, and in this action event, select this add contact to list. Then click on connect. And from here, select this add new connection. And here it will ask for this API user key. So you have to navigate to the settings in your VBOUT application dashboard to find this key. Let me show you the process. So this is our VBOUT application. Here you have to come to this icon, click on it, and here will you find settings option. Click on settings. Okay, and in the settings you will see here on the left hand side this API integrations option. Click on it, and here is the API user key. So you have to copy this key from here like this. Okay, and paste the key here in this API user key field, and then click on save. Okay, so you can see it started showing connected now. And here it is asking for the list ID. So let me show you. In my VBOUT application, I have these lists. I can show you. So these are the lists I have created, right? And our list is this Typeform list. So here I want to add the Typeform's contact here. Okay, so I'm going to select this list from this field. It is showing me all the list I have in my VBOUT, and this is our Typeform list. Okay, and now it is asking for the email address. So here you have the email address of this person whose data we have captured in this tab. So to map this email ID, let me show you this one here. You just have to click on this field and you will find this Typeform new entry option. Click on it and you will find all the data that we have captured in the first tab. So you just have to map the data. So where is our, so this is the email. Click on it to map it, right? And I'm making the status of the list as active, right? And here in this first name, just map the name by similar process. Click on Typeform and you'll find the name as well here. This is the first name, okay, and the last name. Here is the last name, okay, and the email address, so I'm leaving it blank, and the cell phone number, okay, cell phone number. So here is the cell phone number as well, right? And when I click here on save and send test request, you will see a new contact will be created here in VBOUT application. So I'm clicking here. Okay, so it is showing this kind of response here and is saying your contact has been created successfully. Now let's check in VBOUT application in the Typeform list. Okay, so you can see a new contact is added here with the name as Sujata Yadav, right? So connection with VBOUT is working. Now click on this plus icon again, and in the Actions tab, choose your application as Pipedrive. Okay, this is Pipedrive. And in this action event, you have to select create person. Okay, then click on connect. And from this window, select add new connection. And here it is asking for this API token. So you have to go to your Pipedrive account and in the settings, you will find this token. Let me show you how. So this is my Pipedrive application. Here you have to click on this profile icon and here you will find this personal preferences option. Click on it. Okay. And in this preferences, you will find this API option. So this is the API token. Click on copy here. Go to Pabbly Connect and paste the token here. Okay. Then click on save. And you can see it started showing connected here as well. Right, and it is asking for the name, so you'll find the name from this same place in the first option, Typeform, where we have captured the data from the form. You will find the name here like this. So I'm going to map the full name. So we have the first name and the last name is here. Let me show you this one. Okay, and the owner of this deal is this person. Okay, so let it be, select this person. And now it is asking for the organization. So in Pipedrive, when you create deals or something, you mention the name of organizations as well. So let me show you here. In these deals, you can see we have these organizations in Pipedrive. So you can select the organization from this list. So if you have the details of the organization, if not, you can select others, right? And in the email, let me map the email from the Typeform. So we have the email here. Okay. Where is it? Where is it? So this is the email. I'm mapping it. And the phone number also from the same place. So this is the phone number. Okay. Label option ID. So if you have the label option ID, you can get the label option ID with the help of get person field, but we do not need it. It is not compulsory. So I'm leaving it blank, and you can check the visibility also. You can for the owners only, or if you want the visibility of this person to a group, you can add this option, or for entire company as well. So I'm selecting this option only, owner only. Okay. And when I click here on save and send test request, you will see a new contact will be created in Pipedrive as well, and it is showing the status as success. You can see. Now let's check in Pipedrive in the contacts, and you can see a new contact is here, Sujata Yadav, right? And we have all the details of this person here like this. So our connection with Pipedrive is also working fine, and our workflow is completed here. Let me give you a quick recap what we have done. So first of all, in this trigger option, we selected Typeform application, connected it, and captured the response like this by filling the form again, right? After that, we connected VBOUT application, selected the list in which we want to add this person whose data we have captured here, and map the details to create a contact there like this. And when I click here on save and send test request, you have seen that we got the person added here in VBOUT. After that, we connected Pipedrive application and mapped the data required to create a person here in Pipedrive, right? And after that, I clicked here on save and send test request, and the person is added here in Pipedrive application like this. Okay. So now you just have to click on save here, and we are going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using it instant. So guys, this is it for today's video. If you want any other type of integration, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries and discuss it from this forum, and check the pricing of this software from this link. And guys, as we did today, you can make many different type of integrations using many different softwares by Pabbly Connect and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. So guys, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much for watching this video.